Every type of clicker set can be controlled by one or two switches. From the Options ribbon, select Accessibility. Choose the Access Method tab, and from the input box, choose either one switch or two switches. When using one switch, the scan moves automatically between items. When using two switches, the second switch moves the scan along. Select whether to include the grid tools in the scan here, and whether to enable learners to edit content in Clicker Books here. You can then personalize all the switch settings, including the timings, the colors used, the sounds, and the actions. When you're happy with the settings, click OK to start switch access.